This video will discuss how you can fix your Instagram ads not delivering or working. So in order to fix this, you first need to make sure to verify your account quality. So you just need to look for any notifications in the account quality center for potential violations or rejection reasons. You also need to verify the ad status. You can check the delivery status or any error message or details about why the ad might not be running, even if it appears active on the Instagram application. You also need to check your budget and bids. So in that, you can see that your budget is sufficient and your bid cap or cost per result goal is high enough for the algorithm to find your target audience. So you need to adjust audience if it's too narrow or your ad may struggle to deliver. You can try broadening your audience. You also need to optimize for placement and adapt your ad layout for different placement as each has specific dimensions. Also, sometimes switching from glitchy objective like visit profile to engagement or traffic can resolve delivery issues. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.